Hello, and welcome to our 21st COVID-19 market update with Thomas Caldwell. Today is January 21st, 2021, and it's about 44 weeks since we started self-isolating and social distancing. Now, Tom, Canada is a bit of an odd lot on the world stage. What should we do as a country?
Well, I think first off, we have to recognize the fact we are a bit player. We do not have influence on the world stage for a whole host of reasons, which I don't need to go into right now. But we have to look out for Canada. We're in a period of time where countries are going to put their own interests first. That's understandable in crisis periods. And we have to think in those terms and prepare for that in the future. A good example would be this COVID, for example. We had lots of warnings in SARS that this type of thing is going to come. And it's going to come again. We'll have something else 5, 10, 15 years from now. And we have to prepare for that. Why is it we don't have a pharmaceutical manufacturing capability within this country? For example, if Canadians want to get a COVID injection now, you got to go to Florida. And I can, at my age, I can go to Florida and get one done probably before this week is out. So we have to think in bigger terms. We have to make decisions. We have to make tough decisions, not only on the health front, economic front, and others. We can't just wander around hugging people thinking that we're going to influence events and they're going to take care of us. It isn't going to happen.
So now we're 3 weeks into January. What are your thoughts of the markets since the beginning of 2021?
Well, we've had optimism in the last quarter of last year, which made most of us look quite good in terms of performance. I think also what's happening is this optimism is still prevailing. We still have very, very low interest rates. Government's going to have to keep it that way for a while because they're going to need to borrow lots and lots of money and have done. So I think going on, markets will have a positive underpinning going forward. We have this package coming through in the United States under the new president. So that's going to put more money into the system. The acid test, though, is still how long is this lockdown going to last and how much structural damage has already been done. And there has been massive damage done in the very small enterprise area of the economy. And I don't think politicians recognize that. And in the economic ecosystem, that is critical. So we have to really consider that going forward. And never mind the big boxes, it's these smaller companies that employ Canadians. So I think we have to focus on that. But on balance, I still remain relatively positive. We're going to have shocks. That's just the nature of life and economies. But notwithstanding, I think we're going to have a positive year overall.
Thank you so much for your time, Tom.
Thank you.
And thank you all for watching. Bye for now.